Hello, students. Good morning. Good morning to one and all. Hello, students. Yes, very good morning, Justin. Students, on the just a minute, we'll be starting up with the session. The other students are joining for the class. No need to worry, Justin. Now itself, the class has got started. Is my screen is clear and audio is clear? Please get me a confirmation. Screen and audio is clear. Okay, great. So today is one of the most important session for you all, as we are going to cover many things in this session, where I'm going to explain and I'll give you a practice time here itself. Again, we do a lots of revision, and also we are going to have a doubts clearing session and much more. Children, still few students are joining. Yeah, just a minute, we'll start up with the session, as still more students are joining for the class. Yes, I am from Karnataka, Bangalore. So my coaching center name is Evershine Coaching Center. It's in Bangalore, Tannery Road, near Muslim Colony bus stop. In Google also you can search by the name Evershine Coaching Center, Bangalore. Now, without wasting much time, we'll just start up with the session. We can't wait much more. Yeah. Dear students, welcome back to Shasar Classes Math Revision session of 2024-2025, where we are going to have a revision for the entire syllabus, where we get an explanation, revision, practice, and doubts clearing session. So this session will be very helpful. And as you can see, these are the topics we have covered in the previous session, that is part 1 video. Okay, so these are the topics which we have covered in part 1 video. Now we are going to start with part 2 video. Yeah, make a note of the next question of today's class. A solid, make a note, a solid is in the form of a cone. A solid is in the form of a cone mounted on a right circular cylinder, mounted on a right circular cylinder, comma, both having same radii as shown in the figure, full stop. The radius of the base, the radius of the base and height of the cone are 7 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Full stop. If the total height of the solid is 30 centimeter, comma, find the volume of the solid. Okay. So here the question is, a solid is in the form of a cone mounted on a right circular cylinder. It means that this is a right circular cylinder. Let me consider this as a right circular cylinder. On this, a solid is in the form of a cone mounted on a right circular cylinder. So we have a cone and which is mounted on a right circular cylinder as shown in the figure. The radius of the base and the height of the cone are 7 centimeter and 9 centimeter. So as you can see, they have given that the radius is, as we can see, they have given radius is 7 centimeter and height is 9 centimeter. So of this radius is 7 centimeter and the height of what? Height of what? They have given height, right? A solid in the form of a cone mounted on a right circular cylinder of both having same radius and height are 9 centimeter. So they have given the height of, actually the question which do have here the figure. Okay, I think it is of entire height. The height is 9 centimeter of the entire solid they are speaking. So the total height is 9 centimeter. Sorry, this is the height. No, it is not of total height because actually I have a question here. The diagram is not there. So I'm just analyzing the diagram from the question itself. Okay. So here if the total height of the solid they have given as 30 centimeter, so total is 30, then I think it is of cone. The cone height is the height of the cone, yeah, right circular cylinder, both having same radius shown in the figure. The radius of the base is 3 centimeter. Yeah, radius of the base of a cone it is actually. Oh, yeah, height of the cone. They have given the height. Can you see this? The height of the cone is 7 centimeter. Observations. The radius of the base and height of the cone. Can you see this word? The radius of the base is 7 centimeter. Height of the cone is 9 centimeter. And the total height of the solid is 30 centimeter. This is the total height is 30 centimeter. Okay. Now they're asking us to find the volume of the solid. Simple. It's very easy question. Very basic question. And it's a straightforward question. Okay. So what we need to find now? We want the volume of solid. So here we have two solids, right? One is the cone and other one is cylinder. So what we can write? Third surface area of cone plus third surface area of cylinder. And yesterday in the previous class I have told you why we are taking curved surface area. Why we are not using total surface area. Remember? Yes. अगर से आपको बस सिलेंडर का एरिया फाइंड करना है, only have to find the area of cylinder, then we go with total surface area. If you want only cone, then we go total surface area. But when this cone, if we are going to keep on this cylinder, then what happens? This area is hidden. This area we can't see. The area which we can't see, we cannot find the area of that. Only which area is visible to us? As you can see, with the area is visible to is this area and this area. So only this area is visible. The inside area is invisible to us. So we are not using TSA. If it was single object, we go with TSA. But here it is more than one object, so we go with CSA. Any doubts? When we have to go with TSA and when we have to take CSA? Yes, very good. Now, that is uh, here, remember, CSA of cone and CSA of cylinder. When we have to use CSA, when they give, they will ask you to find the area of solid. When they ask area of solid, we have to go with CSA of cone and CSA of cylinder. But here is volume, right? Yeah, most of the students, what they do, they'll write volume and they'll go with CSA and they'll go with CSA here also. So please be careful whenever you're solving and ensure what you're solving. Whether you're solving for area or you're solving for volume. Again, I'm repeating this word. Please fetch this word whether you are using volume or you are finding area. If you are finding area, then you have to use CSA, understood. But when we are using volume, okay, I have done this mistake voluntarily because to ensure for you people to show you what mistake you people can do it. Here you are going to write volume, but here you will write CSA. Please don't do that mistake. Since we are finding volume, here we should not find CSA. Is this clear? So here we have to find volume. Here also we have to find volume. Any doubts? Understood? So volume of cone plus volume of cylinder. Be careful. Understood? Here if you are finding volume, here also volume and here also volume. Now, what is volume of cone? What is volume of cone? What is the formula to find volume of cone? Quick. First, the formula to find the volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of cylinder pi r square h. As we know that, we know one thing. What do we know? Radius of cone, radius of cylinder both are same. Correct? Radius of cone and radius of cylinder both are same. Correct? But height of cone, height of cone and height of cylinder, this both are not same. समझ में बेटा? इधर रेडियस दोनों का ಸೇಮ್ है, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಹೈಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, इस तरह का क्वेश्चन अगर से आया गया तो क्या करना है हमारे को, we take pi common because both the sides we have pi. R square common because both the sides we have r square. Understood? Both the radius are equal, so we take r square also common. Then what is left out? Pi came, r square came. 1 by 3 h. H of what? Cone plus pi r square is out. H of cylinder. So height of cone is separate, height of cylinder is separate. Now, as you can see, the total height is 30, cone height is 7, then the height of the cylinder is 30 minus 7. How much? 30 minus 7. Very good. It is 23 centimeter. Now, pi 22 by 7, radius 7. So r square 7 into 7 into 1 by 3 into height of the cone is 7 centimeter plus height of the cylinder is 23 centimeters. Followed? Now, this 7 get cancelled. Keep it 22 into 7 as it is. Let's see what happens. Now, 1 by 1 into 7 is 7. 7 by 3 plus 23. Followed? Yeah. Now, what is 7 by 3? 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. Remainder 1. Key point, take 0. 3 threes are 9. So, after point, if you get 1 digit, you can stop. So, 22 into 7. Okay, into 7 by 3 is 2.3 plus 23. 2.3 plus 23. Now can we multiply 22 into 7 into 2.3 plus 23 is how much? 23 plus 2 is 25. That is nothing but 25.3. Now just multiply all these values. 22 into 7, 154 into 25.3, that is 3896.2 centimeter cube. Okay, any doubts with this question? See children, this year you can expect the question, like this. In this order you can expect the questions. Okay, from surface area and volume, you can expect the question for your 4 marks in this order. Any doubts? Any doubts? Got the answer? Yeah. Manjula, we are first covering the surface area and volume. Then if you want, we will go with areas related to circles check. Because yesterday we have started up with this class. Okay, the crash course where this topic was incomplete yesterday. So we are completing this. Then soon after this, even if you want, we'll go with applications of trigonometry also. Okay. And we'll solve areas related to circles. Which all the chapters you want. Anyhow, we are going to cover all the chapters here. No need to worry. Okay. Fine. Now we'll go with the next question. Make a note. Sand is filled. Sand is filled in a cylindrical vessel. Make a note. Sand is filled in a cylindrical vessel of height 32 centimeter and of its base radius of its base is 18 centimeter. Full stop. This sand is completely poured. This sand is completely poured on the level ground to form a conical shaped heap. of sand, full stop, if the height of the conical heap is 24 centimeter, find the base radius and slant height of the conical heap. The figure is as shown. So it is a conical vessel. Okay. We are pouring with the sand. Let me take a cylindrical vessel. This is a cylinder of radius 18 centimeter and the height of the conical vessel is 32 centimeter. From this we are pouring the sand on this conical flask. This is the radius and this is the height. So the height is 24 centimeter. The height of the conical part or the conical heap of the sand is 24 centimeter and this is the radius. Okay. Yes, Shravya. We are going to solve applications of trigonometry also, child. No need to worry. Okay. First, let me to complete this chapter. Another some 4 5 problems are there, I think so. If we are going to cover these 4 to 5 sets of problems, okay. Then soon after that, we'll go with the next chapter. Then I will be asking for you which chapter you people want. You can let me know. So on that basis, we'll solve the questions. So please copy down this question fast. Copy down this question fast. Yeah. So first let me write the data. Now, what is the data is given? So sand is filled in a cylindrical vessel of height 32 centimeter. In a cylindrical vessel, in a cylindrical vessel, understood? Sand is filled. So what is the height of the cylinder? 32 centimeter and radius of the base is 18 centimeters. Done. Now it is completely poured on the level ground to form a conical shape. Actually earlier it was a level ground. ठीक है, एक जस्ट नॉर्मल ग्राउंड था, इसके अंदर सैंड है. जब हम इसको पोर कर रहे हैं, व्हेन वी आर पोरिंग दिस, देन द स्ट्रक्चर इज गोइंग टू बिकम लाइक ए कोनिकल शेप. ठीक है, जब सैंड हम डाल रहे हैं तो ये पूरा सैंड गिरने के बाद क्या हो रहा है, इट इज चेंजिंग द शेप ऑफ द ग्राउंड इन ए कोनिकल शेप. So this is what actually they are telling. It means that volume, how much sand is here, how much amount of sand is filled here, the same amount of sand is poured here. Correct? जितना सैंड इस सिलेंडर में था वो पूरा सैंड क्या हुआ है, इधर जमीन पे डाला गया है. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಣ್ಣಿತ್ತು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಣ್ಣು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದೀವಿ, ಚೆಲ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಣ್ಣು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಕೋನಿಕಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು. फर्स्ट ಅದು सिलेंड्रिकल शेप ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಈಗ ಅದು कोनिकल शेप ಬಂದಿದೆ. पहले सिलेंड्रिकल शेप था, जब इसमें से जो मट्टी है जब नीचे गिराया गया तो ये शेप में आ गया, दैट इज कोन शेप में आ गया. दैट इज व्हाट इज टेलिंग हियर. इट मींस how much amount of sand is filled in the cylindrical vessel, same amount of sand is poured in the form of a cone. Okay, anyhow we are going to study about that. Now the next topic is conical. Now they have given about the cylindrical vessel data. Height is 32, base is 18. Now the sand is completely poured on the level ground to form a conical shape heap of sand. If the height of the conical shape, that is cone, the height of the cone is 24 centimeter. Now they are asking us to find the base radius. Now what is the radius of cone they are asking, and also the slant height, the value of L also they are asking us to calculate. Okay, understood the question? Did you understood the question? Yes, good. Now here what we can conclude, we can say that, what we can conclude, we can say that volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cone. I'm right? जितना मट्टी सिलेंडर में है उतना ही मट्टी कोन में है. So whenever we compare the quantity, we go with the volume. We go with the volume formula. Any doubts? Good. So the volume of cylinder is pi r square h is equals to volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. My dear students, as you can see, the radius of cylinder is 18, but here radius is not same. As you can see, this radius and this radius, we have lots of difference. Here radius of cylinder and radius of cone both are not equal, both are not same. Similarly, radius of height of cylinder and height of cone is also not same. So we cannot take common, or we cannot equate both the things in the same order. दोनों जगह रेडियस हम सेम नहीं लिख सकते हैं. जैसे कि हम लास्ट प्रॉब्लम किए थे, द प्रॉब्लम विच वी डिड हियर, एज यू कैन सी, दिस इज सिलेंडर एंड दिस इज कोन. Here they have same radius. Radius of cylinder and radius of cone is same. But here radius of cylinder and radius of cone both are not same. Done? Okay. This pi get cancelled. Now radius of cylinder already they have given. Radius is 18 centimeter. So 18 into 18, because r square, into height of the cylinder is 32. Now 1 by 3 into radius, we don't know. So keep r square as it is. Then height is 24. Let me write the height of the cone is 24 centimeter. Any doubts? Any doubts? Clear? Is this clear? Good. Now what we want, keep it one side and rest of the term shift to the other side. Yeah, now we do one thing. Actually we want r value. So keep r square as it is. This 3 will shift up. This 3 will shift up. So it becomes 18 into 18 into 32 into 3 divided by this 24 will come down. It becomes divided by 24, that is equals to 1 into r square is r square. Now, which other terms will get cancelled? 2 ones are 2 twos are, 2 ones are 2 six are, next 2 six are 12, 2 eights are 16, 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18. Correct? Now what are the terms are left out? The terms are left out are 18 into 3. 18 threes are how much? 18 into 3 is 54 into 8 threes are 24. That is equals to r square. Then r square is equals to 54 into 24. That is 1296. That is r square. Then r equals square root of 1296. Square root of 1296. Now what is the square root of 1296? Yeah, if you are getting confused, you can write order like this. Which number you take here, same number you should multiply, you should get the number 1296. Can you check which are the same numbers if you multiply? Both the sides we may get the answer. Yes, very good. 36. 36 into 36 is 1296. Correct? Then R is equals to 36 centimeters. So this is the radius of cone. Understood? Understood the problem? Good. Now again, what they are asking us to calculate? They are asking us to calculate the slant height. Remember, in the question, they are asking us to calculate the slant height. So how to find the slant height? Just we consider this area. So let me consider this area. As you can see, I'm solving here this side. Actually, you can solve below to this only. इसके नीचे solve करिए. लेकिन मैं इधर फिगर के लिए मैं इधर ही solve कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है? So this is the height of the cone. This is the slant height and this is the radius. According to Pythagoras, we know that square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. So L square is equals to H square plus R square. Now what is slant height? L we don't know, but height we know. Height is 24. So 24 square plus radius just now we found, that is 36 square. Radius just now we found, right? So what is the value of that? So R is equals to 36. Now L square is equals to 24 square. So what is 24 square? 24 into 24, that is 576 plus 36 square. 36 into 36, 1296. If you are going to add 1296 plus 576, you will get the value 1872, that is L square. Now L is equals to root of 1872. Root of 1872. Now how to find the square root? How to find the square root of 1872? See here the procedure. 1872. You write like this. देखो बेटा, इधर पे जो नंबर लिखेंगे इधर पे वही नंबर लिखना है. If you are going to multiply same numbers, you should get the value 1872 or nearest to 1782. Nearest to that. Let me check the numbers. Like if you are multiplying 1872, right? So it is above 1000. The value is above 1000. Then 40 into 40, how much? 40 into 40, I think it is 1600. Right? Yeah. Next, can you check with 42 into 42? 42 into 42. 42 into 42. 1764. Okay. Check with 43 into 43. 43 into 43. 1849. Yes. It is nearest to 1872. Yeah. So we have to go with 43 into 43. 43 into 43 is 1849. So 1872 minus 1849, 2. It is 23. Keep point. If you are going to keep a point here, you can take 10. You can take 10. If you are going to take 10, even after a point, you can take 2 zeros. Okay. Now, here plus 3. So 3 plus 3, 6, and here 4. And here if you write 1, here also you should write 1. Here if you write 2, here also you should write 2. Here if you write 3, here also you should write 3. Done. Now, if I write 2 here, here also you should write 2, right? So 462 into 2. 2 2 is 4, 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8 plus 1, 9. It is 924. It is 924. 462 into 2, 924 you got. Now try with 463 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18, 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 15. 1589. We want 2300. Nearest to 2300. Check with 465 into 5. How much? 465 into 5. It is 2325. So it is a bit bigger number than this because we want 2300. We are getting 2325. Then definitely it will go with 4 tables, right? So here also 4, here also 4. So directly you can conclude that what we can conclude, the final answer, the slant height is 43.4 centimeters. 43.4 centimeters. Any doubts? So the slant height is 43.4 centimeters. Any doubts? Children, if you have got any doubts, you can ask me till here. Yeah, we are going to solve the next problem. I hope you have understood this. A medicine capsule is in the form or is in the shape of a cylinder. Shape of a cylinder with hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. Full stop. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm and diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Full stop. Find its surface area. So this is a cylinder. This is a cylinder. It is struck with two hemispheres. So both the sides we have two hemisphere. This is one hemisphere and this is another hemisphere. So in between we have a cylinder. We have a cylinder. So that's what he's saying. A medicine capsule in the shape of a cylinder with hemispheres. Hemispheres are struck here also and here from both the ends. दोनों जगह में hemispheres क्या होकर है? Mount होकर है. Struck at the two ends. The length of the entire capsule. So they are telling the length of the entire capsule. ये पूरे capsule का length कितना है? 14 mm है. And the diameter of the capsule. So this is the diameter. So the diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Now they're asking us to find the surface area. Yeah. Can you try this sum? Can you try with this problem? Can you let me know like how to solve this sum? We have done so many problems, then definitely this problem you have got, you know the procedure. So what we have to find? The surface area. Surface area means the total surface area. The total surface area is equals to, here we have one hemisphere, here also we have one hemisphere, we have two hemispheres. So before going to that, first let me analyze the data, what all the values they have given. Okay. The total length is how much? 14. Now dear students, as you know that this is a hemisphere. Just a minute. ये सर्कल है. ये सर्कल को जब हम डिवाइड करेंगे, when we divide this circle into two parts, we get an hemisphere. Now this is the hemisphere. As we know that from here to here is radius, from here to here also it is a radius. As you can see, the diameter is they have given 5 centimeter. Can you see this? The diameter they have given 5 centimeter. What is this diameter? The diameter of the hemisphere. This is the diameter they have given. If diameter is 5 mm, then what is the radius? So radius will be 5 by 2 centimeter, 5 by 2 mm. They have given in mm, so let me write in mm. ठीक है. जब ये diameter 5 mm है, तो इसका radius कितना होगा? The radius from here to here will be 5 by 2. Again from here to here the radius will be 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is nothing but 2.5. So 2.5 mm is the radius. 2.5 mm is the radius. समझे बेटा? Diameter 5 mm है. जब diameter ये total diameter 5 mm है, तो इसका radius कितना होगा? How much will be the radius? 2.5 mm. Okay? Yeah. Now we have understood the radius. The radius of the hemisphere is 5 by 2, that is 2.5. Then how much is the radius of a cylinder? Sorry, how much is the height of a cylinder? In 14 mm, here 2.5, here 2.5, 2.5 plus 2.55. In 14, if you remove 5, then the remaining is how much? In 14, if you are going to remove 5, then the remaining is 9 mm. So this is the length of the cylinder. So total they have given the length is 14 mm. So we know that the radius of hemisphere is 2.5 centimeter. Both the side 2.5 we have. So 2.5 plus 2.5, that is 5 mm. ठीक है? Total 14. अब ये cylinder आकर 9 mm है. Next, what are the values they have given here? They have given the total length. From total length we have found what is the radius of hemisphere and what is the length of cylinder, height of cylinder. Okay. Now, let me come to the solution part. Surface area is equals to curved surface area of cylinder plus, see, one hemisphere plus one hemisphere. If you are going to add these both, it becomes a circle. So we can directly take the surface area of sphere. Understood? So it becomes a sphere. If you want, you can write 2 times. Understood? Like curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of hemisphere. You can add. If not directly, you can write surface area of sphere. Now, what is the curved surface area of cylinder formula? 2 pi r h. What is the surface area of sphere? 4 pi r square. As we know, the radius of cylinder and the radius of hemisphere or sphere both are equal. Can you see this from here to here? Can you see this from here to here? The radius of hemisphere, radius of cylinder, both are same. So what we can do? We can take 2 common. We can take pi common. We can take r common. So 2 pi r we have taken out. So it become h plus 2 into 2 is 4. Already pi is out. One time of r is out. So other time of r is in. Got it? Got it? Then what is the conclusion? 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 2.5. But my dear students, don't write 2.5. Write here as 5 by 2 only. Because to cancel the terms, it will be easy for you. That is the reason. Into height. Height of what? Height of cylinder. They are asking height of cylinder. So what is the height of the cylinder? Just now we found that is 9 mm. 9 plus 2 into 5 by 2. 2 into 5 by 2. Radius is 5 by 2. Then anything will get cancelled? Yes. This 2 will get cancelled. Left out is 22 by 7. Okay. Into 5. This 2 get cancelled. Into 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5, 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. That is 22 into 2, 44 into 5. So if you are going to multiply, if you are going to multiply both, what is the answer? 44 into 5, 220 centimeter square. Is this correct? Let me know fast. The problem what we have done is right. Is it correct? Wrong. Something is wrong in this. Did you find what is the mistake which you have done here? Here we have done a small mistake. Can you identify the mistake? Yeah, that is not centimeter square. Since they have given the units in mm. Can you see this? If they have given mm, then you should write mm square only. Remember, if they have given in meter, you should write meter square. If you have given in centimeter, write centimeter square. Since they have given in mm, you should write square. Over. Did you understood? Is this clear? Good. We'll go with the next problem. This problem you can try. I'll just give you. Same method you have to do. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 21 centimeter, comma, mounted on a hemisphere of same radius as shown in the figure. Full stop. The total height of the toy is 49 centimeter. Find the surface area of the toy. You can try this sum. So radius they have given 21 centimeter and the total height they have given as 21 centimeter, sorry, 49 centimeter. Okay, so this problem you can try. You can try the, you can try. So just you have to write surface area of the toy is, I'll just give you the hint, you can try. Surface area of toy is equals to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Just substitute the values, you'll get the answer. Because already we have done most of the sums related to this. Am I right? Clear? Is this clear, students? Yeah. Now we'll try one problem from your model question paper. Let's see what is given over here. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a sphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. Yes, just now we have done right. Similar problem. Okay, see your model question paper. Question what is given? Model paper 1. They have given the question as a toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. Full stop. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Full stop. Find the total surface area of a toy. Can you see what is the matching? Here they have given radius 3.5. Here they have given radius 21. Mounted on a hemisphere. Here also this is mounted on a hemisphere of same radius, shown in the figure. Here is shown in the figure. Here they have not given the figure. You have to assume the same figure. Okay. The height of the toy, the total height of the toy is 15.5. Here also the total height of the toy is 49. Only a 49, here 15.5. Here they said only surface area means you have to find the complete surface only. Here they have given directly as total surface area. Did you compare both the sides? Have you compared both the sides? Yes. It is similar, right? It is similar, right? Yeah. I hope you have understood. Now you have got the confidence that, sir, if any question comes from the surface area and volume, I can do it. You can do it. Is this possible? Now are you finding difficult surface area and volume chapter numericals? How to solve? Are you getting confusion? No, no. Good. Yeah, next question, make a note. A volume of a sphere is 539 by 3 centimeter cube. Find its surface area. The volume of a sphere is 539 by 3 centimeter cube. Find its surface area. Now how to find this? Good. As you know that they have given the volume of sphere. Volume of sphere is how much? 539 by 3. So directly we can write V is volume. Volume of a sphere is 539 by 3 centimeter cube. Now what do you mean by volume? Volume is sphere, no? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is equals to 539 by 3. Now as you can see, both the sides in the denominators we have 3. So this 3 get cancelled. Why? Because this 3 if it comes to the numerator, ये जो denominator का 3 है, ये ऊपर आया तो ये into 3 हो जाएगा. तो ऊपर का 3 नीचे का 3 कैंसिल हो सकता है. ठीक है? तो हम क्या किए इधर डायरेक्टली कैंसिल कर दिए. This 3 will get cancelled from both the sides. Now, what is left out, children? 4 pi r cube equals 539. From this, can we find r cube? Yes. Better you write 4 into pi is 22 by 7 into r cube is equals to 539. We want r cube. R cube is equals to 539 into 7 divided by 4 into 22. Now, can you find the solution for this? Can you find the answer for this? Does it goes? Yeah? Don't know? Simple. Just see here. 22 is even number. 539 is odd number. It doesn't cancel. 4 is even. 539 is odd. We cannot cancel. 7 and 4. It does not cancel. So at that time what you should do? 539 into 7 you multiply. You will get the value 3773 divided by 4 into 22, that is 88. So directly you can cancel 3773 divided by 88. I'll solve the rest of the steps here. So how much? So you'll get the value 42.875. Okay. So that is the value of R cube. But here let me consider R cube as 42.875. After 8 we get 7, after 5 the numbers continues, right? So approximately can we take it as 9? Approximately we'll take that as 9.9. Okay. Then R is equals to cube root of 42.9. So which are the three terms if you are going to multiply, you will get 42.9. So R is equals to, can you multiply 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5 three times? You are getting right 42.875. Yes or no? 42.875. That's nothing but nearest to 42.9. Both are same. So directly we can write the answer as radius is 3.5 centimeter. So R is equals to 3.5 centimeter. Now we got the radius. Now we have to find the surface area. To find the surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere formula is 4 pi r square. 4 into 22 by 7 into radius. So what is the value of r? 3.5. R square is 3.5 into 3.5. 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35. Since it is 3.5, so 0.0. Now just multiply 44 into, sorry, 2 into 22 into 4, 88 into 0.5 into 3.5. Multiply, you will get 1.75. 1.75 into 88, you will get 154 centimeter square. Shravya, I have not done the answers child. I have only a questions. I don't have the solutions. I have not tried. I have not tried over there. You can just comment the answer if you have done. So let others also cross check for the toy question. For the previous toy question you're asking, right? Yeah. So any doubts still here? Do I have any doubts still here? No, right? Good. So we have done with model paper 1 also. Now we go ahead with model question paper number 2. So we are solving all the model papers questions along with this. Let's see model question paper number 2. Which type of question is given from surface area and volume? Let's try. Take down the question. Yes, copy down this question. The tent of a circus company, the tent of a circus company is built by canvas cloth such that a cone is surmounted on the cylindrical shape. Full stop. If the height of the cylindrical shape is 9 meter, comma, the diameter of the base of the tent is 30 meter and the total height of the tent is 17 meter, then find the option A, area of the ground occupied by the tent. Option B, area of the canvas cloth used for building the tent. Now this is the figure. which is given. The total height is 17 meters. Total height is 17 meters. Yeah, copy down this question first. Copy it. Yeah, what is the question? The tent of a circus company is built by canvas. So this is a tent which is made by a circus company. Okay, that is a canvas cloth they have used. It is surmounted by a cylindrical shape. We have one cylinder. We have a cylinder. It is surmounted with a cylindrical shape. Okay, with the cone. So we have a cone here. ठीक है? ये कोन है, कोन के ऊपर एक सिलेंडर है, मतलब कि एक सिलेंडर है, सिलेंडर के ऊपर कोन है. Now they have given some data. What is the data? Height of the cylindrical shape is 9 meter. So height of the cylinder they have given as 9 meter. So let me write height of cylinder. In short, let me write like this, HCY. So height of cylinder is 9 meter. And diameter of the base of the tent. Diameter. So this is the base, right? So this is the diameter. So what is the diameter of the base of the tent? That is 30 meter. So diameter, if it is 30 meters, then radius will be 30 by 2. That is 15 meters. Right? And the total height of the tent is 17 meter. देखो बेटा, ये total 17 है. Let me draw it here. The total height is 17. Now diameter is how much? 30. They have given the height of the cylinder here. Height of the cylinder 9. So this is the height of the cylinder is 9. Then remaining will be the height of the cone. In 17, if you are going to remove 9, so what is left out? 17 minus 9, that is 8. So if this is 9 meter, then this is 8 meter. So 9 plus 8 is 17 meter. Okay. Is this clear? So they have given data of cylinder. Cylinder data, height of the cylinder 9. Diameter if it is 30, then radius is 15. Then come back to the conical part. Diameter is 30, then radius we got, total height is 17 meter. Okay. So from cone, what did we get to know? As we know that the radius of cylinder and radius of cone both are equal. So even radius of cone is also 15, but height of the cone is 8 meters. Height of the cone is 8 meters. Now what they are asking us to calculate? Find the area of the ground occupied by the tent. How much area the ground has occupied? What is the area the ground has occupied? How to find? What to find? Yes, observe here. Option A. Area of the ground occupied by the tent is nothing but, observe here. Which area the ground has occupied? I'll show you. The area of the ground which is occupied by the tent is this. This is the area the tent has occupied. Okay. Which area the tent has occupied? कौन सा area tent occupy किया है? That is the base. The base area. So the base area, it is in the form of a circle. So we have to use area of a circle. Area of circle is pi r square. So this is the area the ground has occupied by the tent. So we have to use area of circle. So pi is 22 by 7. Then the radius of the cylinder is 15. So 15 into 15. 7 and 15 will get cancelled. No. So you can write as 3.14 as 22 by 7. 15 into 15. That is 225. So 3.14 multiply 3.14 into 225. You'll get the answer 706.5 meter square. So this is the area of the ground occupied by the tent. Okay. And then next, area of the canvas cloth used for building the tent. See students, here they are asking us to find the area of the canvas. How much area the canvas has occupied. So we have to find area of canvas required is nothing but we have to find the curved surface area. Curved surface area of what? Cylinder. So what is the, because they are asking area of the canvas cloth used for building the tent. So to build the tent, we have two areas. Let me write here. Area of the canvas required is, first is curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder. First you find total area, how much area required. So what is the curved surface area of cone? Pi RL. Curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi RH. Now, dear students, now observe here. Can you see the cone part? Can you see the only the cone part? Just we take the right side part. Just let me take the right side part. So this is known as L, this is known as H, and this is known as R. So we know the height. We know the height is 8 meter. We know the radius is 15 meter, but we don't know the value of L. So can we apply Pythagoras and we do it? L square is equals to R square plus H square. Understood? We can apply the Pythagoras. What Pythagoras says? The square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. So L square is equals to R square plus H square. Can we do it? L square is equals to, first let me find, L square is equals to R square plus H square. R is 15, 15 square plus height is 8, 8 square. 15 square 225, 8 square 64, 225 plus 64, 9, 6 plus 2 is 8, 2, 289, L square. Then L is equals to root of 289, that's nothing but 17 meters. Okay, we got the value of L. Now just let me substitute here. Here also pi, here also pi. Pi is common. This R and this R, both are same. R is common. Pi R, L plus 2H. Understood? We have taken the common factor. We have taken the common factor. So pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 15. Slant height just now we got 17 plus 2 into H. H is what? Height of the cylinder. Here H is, here H is height of the cylinder. So what is the height of the cylinder? Just now we found, can you check? The height of the cylinder is 9 meter. Correct? The height of the cylinder is 9 meters. So 2 into 9. Close it. Now 22 by 7, keep it as it is, into 15, keep it as it is, into 17 plus 2 nines are 18. Then 22 by 7 into 15, 15 into 17 plus 18, that is 35. 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. Correct? Then multiply 22 into 15. 22 into 15, you will get 330 into 5. 330 into 5, I think you may get 1650. 1650 meter square. So this is the area of the canvas required. This is the area of the canvas required. 1650 meter square. Is this clear? Is this clear? Area of the canvas required 1650 1650 meter square. Hmm. Any doubts? Any doubts with model paper number 2? Yeah. Now we check model paper number 3, surface area and volume related problem. Yeah, they have given again a sphere of volume 38,808 centimeter cube is divided into two equal parts. Okay, if you are dividing this into two equal parts means that is hemisphere. Find the total surface area of each hemisphere. Wow. Next question they have given in model paper 3. A toy is made up of a cylinder having diameter 10 centimeter, height 20, and it is joined with a hemisphere of the same diameter at one end and a cone of the equal diameter and slant height 13 centimeter at the other end. Find the surface area of the toy. Yeah, interesting. Okay, we'll try. Observe your students. Make a note of the next question. A sphere of volume 38,808 centimeter cube is divided into two equal parts. Full stop. Find the total surface area of each hemisphere. Yeah, fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Yeah, Shravya, you have a doubt. How can we come to know whether to take common? Yeah, see, check. How to take common? Hmm, here pi r h, here 2 pi r square h. Assume. Okay. Here also we have pi. Here also we have pi. So both are same. So we take pi common. Okay. Then here what radius we have? Here also the if the radius is same, both the sides if the radius are same, here we have one time radius, here we have two time radius. So minimum how many times are there both the side? Minimum one time is there. So we can take one time radius common. Suppose this height of cone is separate, this height is separate. Okay, this height value is different, this height value is different. So you should not take common. If both the values are same, then we can take common. Understood? Assume here, according to this condition, this height and this height both are not same. Radius are same, pi value remains same, so I have taken pi r as common. So pi r came out, this h remains same because it is not same, plus this 2 remains same. Because one time of r we have taken out, so one time r of r is left out and this h is left out. This is how we have to take the common factor. Okay, if both the sides, if the values are same, only when there is plus in between. Only whenever it is plus or minus, then only we should take common. If it is multiplication means we have to multiply both the sides. We cannot take common because r into r square will become r cube. If it is multiplication, we have to multiply. If it is plus or minus in the center, then only we have to take the common factor. I hope your doubt is clear when to take the common factor. Okay, now observe your children. The next question. A sphere of volume 38,808 centimeter cube is divided into two equal parts. Find the total surface area of each hemisphere. Yeah. Do you know the sum? How to solve this? No? Okay. What is the volume of the sphere they have given? 38,808 centimeter cube. We are going to divide into two equal parts, so it becomes hemisphere. Correct? If this is a sphere, if you are going to cut into two equal parts, so it becomes an hemisphere. So it becomes an hemisphere. Okay. Now first, let me take. So what is the volume of a sphere they have given? So volume of a sphere is 38,808. Volume is volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube is equals to 38,808. So from this we can find the radius, right? So 4 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into r cube is equals to 38,808. We want r cube, so r cube is equals to 38,808 into 3 into 7 divided by 4 into 22. Then r cube is equals to, what is the value we will get? Quick. So what is the final answer you may get? Can you simplify this complete? R cube 38,808 into 3 into 7 divided by 4 into 22. Multiply the numerator, whichever the terms will get cancelled in the numerator and denominator, cancel them. Quick. After cancelling them, what is the answer? Very good. 9261. Then r is equals to cube root of 9261. Then the radius is approximately, it comes to 21 centimeter. Very good. Approximately it will comes to radius 21 centimeters. Is this clear? So it is the radius. Clear? Yeah. Now what is the question they have asked? They have asked, if this volume is divided into two equal parts, find the total surface area of each hemisphere. It means that we have to find the total surface area of hemisphere. Okay, it's easy, right? So, what is the formula to find the total surface area of one hemisphere? First, let me find total surface area of one hemisphere. The total surface area of hemisphere is what? 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square. Isn't it? Yeah. Substitute. 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into radius. Just now we found that is 21. R square 21 into 21. 7 ones are 7. 7 threes are 21. Multiply 22 into 3. 66 into 3 into 21. Multiply these all the values. So what is the answer? We may get 3 into 22 into 3 into 21. So the final answer you may get 4158 centimeter square. The total surface area of one hemisphere is 4158 centimeter square. Understood? So one hemisphere if it is this, and the total surface area of another hemisphere also, total surface area of second hemisphere also remains same, that is 4158 centimeter square. Followed the steps? Is this clear? Good. Next question. Next question. A toy is made up of a cylinder. A toy is made up of a cylinder having diameter 10 centimeter and height 20 centimeter, and it is joined with a hemisphere of same diameter at one end and a cone of equal diameter and slant height 13 centimeter at the other end. Full stop. Find the surface area of the toy. That's it. So here we have to assume the figure. As you can see, a toy is made up of a cylinder. So let me say this is a cylinder. A toy, it is made up of a cylinder having diameter 10 centimeter. So what is the diameter? So the diameter is 10 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. So the height is 20 centimeters and it is joined with a hemisphere at the same diameter at one end. So in one end we have an hemisphere. Let me say this is an hemisphere and a cone of equal diameter, okay, at the another end. So another end we have a cone. Another end and another end and other end we have a cone. Okay. Now as you can see they have given the dimensions. Cylinder diameter is 10 centimeter, height is 20 centimeter we have written and hemisphere of the same diameter. So diameter of the hemisphere also it is same. If diameter is 10 centimeter then radius will be 5 centimeter and at the other end we have a cone. They are given the dimensions. It has the same diameter and slant height also they have given. The slant height is 13 centimeter. Slant height is 13 centimeter they have given. Now, my dear students, what you can do, you have to find the total surface area of the toy. I'll just give you the hint, you can try. The total surface area of a toy is curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone. Now, the dimensions, the diameter of hemisphere diameter if it is 10 centimeter, then the radius will be 5 centimeter. Coming back to cylinder dimensions, the diameter if it is 10, then radius is 5 centimeter and the height of the cylinder is 20 centimeter. If we come to cone, okay, if the diameter is 10, then radius will be, what is the radius? Radius will be 5 centimeter. They have given L, slant height value they have given as 13 centimeter. Okay. Now, curved surface area of hemisphere formula 2 pi r square. Curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi rh. Curved surface area of cone pi rl. Now from all the three, we know that here we have 2, here we have 2, here we have 2, here we don't have 2. So we cannot take 2 common. Here we have pi, here also we have pi, here also we have pi. So we can take pi common. Now in all the three cases, radius remains same. Remember, all the radiuses are same, right? Here we have 1 time, here we have 1 time r, here we have 2 times r. So we can take 1 time r as common. So here we have taken pi and r as common. So left out is 2 and r. Here we have taken pi and r as common. Left out is 2 and h. Here we have taken pi r common L. Now just substitute these all values. You will get the final answer in terms of centimeter square. So this is how you are supposed to find the total surface area of a toy. My dear students, I hope you all have got the steps and the method how to solve the problems related to surface area and volume. Is this clear? And in model paper number 4, similar question is given. Like the maximum volume of a closed cylindrical tank is 6160 meter cube. The diameter of its circular base 28 meter. Find the cost of the painting its surface area at the rate of rupees 5 per square meter. Children, I just give you the hint how to solve this problem. So you can try according to that method. So if you want, you can make a note of this question. The maximum volume of a closed cylindrical tank is 6160 meter cube, full stop. The diameter of its circular base is 28 meter, full stop. Find the cost of painting its surface at the rate of rupees 5 per square meter. So they have given the maximum volume of a closed cylindrical tank. So what is the volume of the cylinder they have given? 6160 meter cube. So what is the volume of a cylinder? So the formula to find the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h is equals to 6160 meter cube. So they have given here, what are the values they have given? They have given volume, diameter they have given. Diameter if it is 28, then the radius will be 28 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are, so radius is 14 centimeter. We know the radius but we don't know the height. So find the height by using this formula. That is 22 by 7 into radius is 14. So 14 square 14 into 14 into h is equals to 6160. Then find the value of h by using this condition. So from this you will get the value of h. You can try. Okay. Now once you find h, then find the cost of painting its surface at rupees 5. Then what you have to do here, we don't, as you can see here, we don't have two shapes. Here we have a single shape, only a cylindrical tank is there. Can you see this? Only a cylindrical tank is given. So here we have to find the total surface area of cylinder. Whenever they give you two combination of solids like cone and cylinder kind of thing, then we have to use curved surface area. But here they have given only a single surface, so we have to use total surface area of cylinder. So use the formula of total surface area of a cylinder, that is 2 pi r into r plus h. Substitute the values, you will get the answer. Whatever the area you get, that is in meter square. Whatever the area you get, that area, this area, okay, this area multiplied by 5, you will get the total cost. To calculate the cost, cost of painting is equals to this area, just you add up here, substitute this area, multiply this with 5, you will get the answer in rupees, that is the cost. Any doubts? So definitely this time the paper will be easy. So in the similar manner the questions will be asked for you. Okay, you have to apply the same method, similar method, to find the solutions. Hope the class was interesting for you all. My dear students, so this completes surface area and volume chapter. This completes surface area and volume chapter. Okay. Now, how was this session? Do not forget to comment. How did you like this session? Do not forget to comment below. And yet, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, Shasar Classes, do subscribe it. And shortly again we come live. We just take a short break. We are going to take a break. So do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that instantly you will get the update and notification whenever we come live or whatever the classes we are going to upload in our YouTube channel. So this channel is not meant for only for 10th standard. This channel is made for 10th and 12th standard also, like your first PU and second PU. So we are going to upload major important videos, question banks, test series, and much more through our YouTube channel. Okay, we are going to upload many things through by using our YouTube channel so that it will be benefited for each and every student. It has to be benefited for each and every student. That is the reason. Any doubts? Is this clear? Is the concept is clear? Good. Now we are going to stop this session here. We'll meet soon in the next session. Okay? Take care. All the best. Keep watching to our YouTube channel, Shasar Classes. And if you want more details about us, in the below description, we are going to give you the complete details about us and also of our institute. Take care. All the best.